the entrance, obviously, to the boatyard.
The Boatyard trip is offered by Sandals Barbados, and we went on this trip a couple of times. It's an amazing beach. It's called Browns Beach, which is located on the west coast of Barbados. As you can see, absolutely amazing white powder sand. The bar restaurant area serves fantastic seafood, burgers, fries, everything that you'd want. That's the Boatyard Club in the background, and then over there to the right is where the Boatyard dive site is, which is basically a series of wrecks deliberately sunk by the Barbados government to create a dive site. And it's shallow water. You'll see shortly several of the wrecks you can easily snorkel on. You don't need scuba diving equipment, so it's a fantastic introduction to the world of underwater exploration. And this is the walkway out to the boat, which takes us to the dive site, which is also where we found the turtles. This is our dive guide, who was obviously very attractive for the fish, partly due to the fact that he was carrying the seafood. Obviously, for safety reasons, you're told when snorkeling you must not enter these wrecks. If you want to explore the wrecks in more detail, Sandals do dive trips out here where, using scuba apparatus, you can obviously spend a lot longer down there. And then this was the real highlight of the trip for me, when this fella, obviously attracted by the smell of the food, made an appearance.